I want to quickly show you how I trim my brow. Sorry, please excuse my scarf. Sorry, my bonnet is my brow is really full. I like to do the traditional way, so I'm using my now set blade, and this is it. So it's going to be like a freehand trimming. So what I like to do is to cut my blade into two. I don't know, I'm just used to it, so it just fits well into my hand. It's gonna be short. I'm using my free hands to do this. You can use your brow brush if you want to, but for those of you that don't have brow brush, you can work around it. So this is my blade. What I do, I always start from here. You have to excuse me, I'm using the camera to look at it. I'm not using my mirror. I come like this. Anybody can do this, but please be very careful when you're doing this. So then I come under. I might have to take my mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. Okay. Mirror. Can you see? Take it back like you're combing it with your hand. Then you're gonna hold your stuff like this. See, it's reducing gradually. So and then I go like this. I'll do this off camera, okay? But then I always like to also trim my invisible beards because everybody actually have beards, so trim it. I also like to take off this tiny hair around my nose region so that my face will be looking clean. I'll do this part outside this space, okay? Please be very careful, don't cut yourself. Some people actually like to apply, can you see the hair? Apply coconut oil before they take this part out. You can do whatever you choose to. I feel very comfortable using my blade on my face like that. yeah. I'm coming, okay? Tracy? So I'm done. It's just a very, very quick way to trim your eyebrow so you can draw or do your makeup easily, because when your eyebrows are really full, it doesn't really make your makeup look fine. This is just a freehand or freestyle way of trimming. See, I think I cut myself. You have to be very careful. Make sure the blade you're using is very, very new so you don't have problems. So when I'm done with this, I dispose it. Hope this video was helpful, some sorts. How do you prefer to trim your brows? Do you want to leave a comment below? If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like, and also share this video with someone who might need it. You'll be helping me if you do those things, and I will love you forever. Thank you so much. If you learned a thing or two, please leave a comment below and we can chit chat all the way. Thank you guys for being part of the family. I hope you enjoy my short quick tutorial, my short quick traditional freestyle way of trimming my eyebrows and getting rid of the hair under my nose, because I like it to be clean. I don't like seeing all this build up when I do my makeup. I don't like it. So the hair here can cause patches when you're doing your makeup. So take it off, okay? As much as it grows, take it off just like you trim your eyebrow, okay? And everybody will be fine. Don't worry, you'll be alright. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Like my video and share. I love you all. Thank you so much.